Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Goodnotes and signing in so your notebooks sync across devices. Once installed, grant storage and optional microphone permissions so files and audio notes save reliably. Create a new notebook right away. Pick the paper type and size because that determines zoom clarity and export ratios. Choose a cover to organize visually. Make sure handwriting input is enabled so the pen tools respond instantly. This prevents lag and lost strokes as you begin writing. Now you focus on the core workflow. Open your notebook and choose the pen with the tip size and pressure curve that feels natural. Once done, use the highlighter for emphasis and the eraser precisely. Set pressure sensitivity for smoother strokes. To structure content, drag pages, duplicate templates, or insert new sheets so your file stays logical. Use the lasso to select handwriting, resize or reorganize, and convert selected notes to type text for sharing. Export as PDF or image when you finish by reviewing and exporting your notebook. Flatten any layers, verify thumbnails for quick navigation, and export a PDF copy as a backup. Once done, enable Cloud Sync so new changes appear on other devices and export periodic copies to local storage for redundancy. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Force quick Goodnotes, confirm device storage and network, sign out and back in, and update the app. These steps resolve most sync or export errors quickly and preserve your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.